This week we've been talking about the main topic and key details of an informational text. As you know, the main topic is what the text is all about, and those key details are the most important details that support the main topic. We're going to read this text called Mound Builders, and we're going to identify the main topic together. I'll help you identify the first key detail, but your job after that is to figure out the rest of the key details on your own, and that's going to be your assignment today. So let's read Mound Builders together. Long ago, Native Americans lived near the Ohio and Mississippi rivers. These people are known as the Mound Builders. They carried earth in baskets. Then they piled it up with their hands. Over time, they made huge earth mounds. Some mounds were used to bury the dead. The mounds have different shapes. Some people built mounds shaped like cones. One of the highest mounds is almost 70 feet tall. Some people built mounds shaped like circles or squares. They made some of the largest mounds in the world. These mounds were built about 2,000 years ago. Other people built mounds shaped like animals. One mound looked like a winding snake. It is about 1,300 feet long. Still, other people made mounds with flat tops. The people built homes on top of the mounds. These mounds were once part of a large, powerful city. I want you to look over what we read and think about what the main topic is. So I want you to identify what the text was all about. So looking back at all of the paragraphs, I can identify the main topic, which is Native Americans built huge earth mounds. Let's dig into each paragraph and really identify what kind of mounds they were building. So paragraph 1 gave me a little introduction. As I really dug into paragraph 2, I saw that they have different shapes, and I saw that some people built mounds shaped like cones. So one of the shapes of the mounds was a cone. You are going to be looking at the next couple paragraphs, and like I said, in your assignment today, you're going to be identifying the rest of the key details.